everyone, this is Ankita, your host for today's Q&A session. We get a lot of DMs and लोग उसमें पूछते हैं that they want to lead a healthy lifestyle but they don't know which direction to follow. Today we are here to answer all of your questions. So Pariti, Preet Pal from Amritsar is asking, I'm trying to gain weight but in a healthy way. Everyone talks about weight loss, but what about people like me who needs to put on weight?
So, जब आप वेट गेन करना चाहते हो, इट्स अ बेसिक प्रिंसिपल दैट ओवर अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम एवरी वीक ओवर अ फ्यू डेज आपको अपना कैलोरीज बाय 500 किलो कैलोरी बढ़ाना है. 500 किलो कैलोरीज जो आप इंक्रीज कर रहे हो, इट शुड नॉट कम फ्रॉम अनहेल्दी फूड्स. जस्ट बिकॉज कैलोरी बढ़ाना है तो यू नॉट स्टार्ट हैविंग लॉट ऑफ कार्ब्स, फैट्स एक्सेट्रा. सो यू हैव टू मेंटेन अ बैलेंस डाइट wherein you have to take the right amount of protein, you have to take the right amount of carbs and healthy fats over a point of time, and that will help you with a healthy weight gain.
Anshika from Jodhpur is asking, I exercise regularly but still feel hungry all the time. How can I stay full longer without overreacting? And she is 22.
So ये बहुत interesting question and a lot of people don't know about this. So since she's also exercising, so she's pretty active and she's feeling hungry. So mostly अभी उनके diet में she must be consuming more carbs. Now in order to feel fuller for a longer time, it is very important to take the right amount of protein. So अपने activity levels के हिसाब से, अपने body weight के हिसाब से you can work with your dietitian and वो आपको बताएंगे आपको adequate amount of protein किससे लेना है. And जब आप right amount of protein लेंगे, so it will help you keep energized, it will keep you satiated, so you will feel fuller for a longer time. This way you will not end up having a lot of carbs or unnecessary snacking. So take the right amount of protein.
The next question is very interesting and 5-6 people have asked the same question. I come from a family where everyone is overweight and has a lifestyle disease. I want to change this pattern, but where do I even start? Is it all genetic or can I really make a difference?
So there's something very interesting I would like to tell here कि जैसे obesity है या diabetes है, certain conditions are supposed to be, they say कि it runs in the family, but if you run, then it will actually not run. So this means you have to follow a healthy lifestyle, a balanced lifestyle. You have to eat healthy. Now, conditions such as आपका obesity है या diabetes है, it requires a different management, slightly different management, a healthier way. So you should incorporate functional foods like our brand, so we deal with various conditions. हमारे लिए we have food products for diabetes, we have food products for weight loss, and low carb products, healthy products. So you can incorporate these functional foods in your diet, and this way you can manage your condition well, and also in very good scenarios you can prevent it from happening in the first place.
Before asking the next question, I have a question from my side. So everyone says that you need to have a healthy breakfast, you need to have a heavy breakfast, but what exactly is the right approach to even follow for the entire day? Should we go about having a heavy breakfast or light breakfast or protein centric?
So, if you have a heavy breakfast, or Indian breakfast is very much loaded or over-indexed with terms of carbs.
Yeah.
So if you have a heavy breakfast which is loaded with carb, you will feel lethargic throughout the day. You will feel very sleepy. You should equally distribute, the nutrients in your meal. So every meal should have protein, it should have vegetables, it should have carbohydrates. And this way, all your calories, all your nutrients will be equally distributed. You will be energized throughout the day, and you don't need to have a very heavier breakfast. Doesn't mean you have to take something very light. Equally, हर meal में you should have protein, fats and carbohydrate. Since we are on the topic of protein, so एक बहुत easy way है protein incorporate करना. तो आप protein शेफ की high protein bread से सैंडविच बना सकते हो. So 2 ब्रेड में आपको approximately 12 to 13 grams of protein मिल जाएगा. You can club it with some either paneer or chicken या फिर vegetables, and that's a good enough protein breakfast.
So the next question is from Monica. She's asking, is maida really harmful? Can adding veggies make a white bread healthier?
ओके, सो अगर आप वेजीज ऐड कर रहे हो अपनी मैदा ब्रेड में, सो आप फाइबर तो इंक्रीज कर रहे हो, बट मैदा हैज बीन शोन टू कॉज अ लॉट ऑफ इन्फ्लेमेशन. इफ यू रेगुलरली कंज्यूम मैदा ब्रेड, इफ यू रेगुलरली कंज्यूम मैदा, वो आपको क्रॉनिक इन्फ्लेमेशन कर सकता है, विच कैन लीड टू वेट गेन, विच कैन लीड टू मेटाबॉलिक इश्यूज एंड अदर हार्मफुल थिंग्स. सो हेंस स्विचिंग टू अ हेल्थियर ऑल्टरनेटिव लाइक अ होल व्हीट ब्रेड और अ हाई प्रोटीन ब्रेड विल ऑलवेज बी बेटर देन हैविंग अ रेगुलर मैदा ब्रेड.
I hope we have answered all of your questions regarding how to lead a healthy lifestyle. If you still have any concerns or more questions, either you can comment on the comment section below or you can DM us.